Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me HP Officejet Pro 6960, and I'm gonna show you how to print the network report on this printer. So firstly you need to open the control panel, then find the settings button and click on it. Afterwards you need to find the network setup, click on the network setup, then find print reports, and you can print the wireless test or network configuration page. For example, I'll print network configuration page. Okay, configuration page was successfully printed. This is the first page, and now it's printing the second one. Great, second page was printed successfully too. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you!